Everyone. Yes, I'm doing another Pileated Woodpecker video. This is an important clip just because I have not only the woodpecker making percussive sounds, but it's also doing a vocalization before it starts. And these particular percussives are percussives that most often get mistaken for our target subjects. And actually, in 2015, I was camped out in an area, and I had not heard this before, where there was a pileated woodpecker hanging around my camp, and I woke up to these percussive sounds that sounded close, and they sounded like they were being done with purpose um, outside my tent at first light. I figured out what it was, but a lot of times these get mistaken for our target subjects, so I figured I needed to put this clip up. I like this clip because he was close to the recorder. Go ahead and take a listen. This guy, he does quite a few, but I've heard them and I've recorded them where they just do one or two and then they fly off. And if you just have one do one or two like that near your camp, you might think something else was going on. These are definitely percussives done deliberately. They're not a falling tree or a branch break. They're deliberately done percussives, but they're done by a woodpecker, not our target subjects. Thanks for watching.